Hey there, welcome. Thanks for joining me. So today I wanted to do a little something a little bit different and share with you how to make this rustic decor piece great for a wedding decor or even around your home using a DIY that we had already previously made on my channel. And I'll make sure to leave that link right here somewhere. And also I'll leave it down in the description box below so you can learn how to make that wagon wheel. But I wanted to share with you how you can use that and incorporate it in different ways. And this is one way to use it as a centerpiece or a part of your wedding decor or any kind of event. What you're going to need are 4 to 5 or even as many as you like of these plastic mason jars that you can get at Dollar Tree. They were in the Easter aisle, but typically they do have them. And I just find them in random places, so I wouldn't know where to tell you, but typically they do have these plastic jars. What I'm going to do is basically just get something sharp. I'm just using my shears to poke a hole and opening on the lid itself of each one of these jars. Once you've done that, there's a white lining inside the lid. Just go ahead and remove that. You are going to use it later, but just go ahead and remove it for now. And for this part, you can actually use, what I'm using is fishing wire. You can use jute twine, anything that you have, ribbon that you want to use. I just had this on hand and I thought I would share with you how I use this. So it's fishing wire. All I did was insert it through the opening of my lid and just tied it a few times, made a few knots just to make it a little bit bigger, that knot. And then I added some hot glue, just a little bit on my lid and glued that knot onto the lid itself to make sure it stayed in place and it was nice and secure. So I know a few of you had asked, what do I do with the DIYs that I do make and where do I store them? Some of them I do keep, some of them I just kind of pull apart and recycle and reuse the items for other tutorials. And some of them I give away. I've even given them away to some of my subscribers. So if you're interested in anything, let me know in the comments below and maybe you'll just get a gift box from me. But yeah, so, and some of them I do keep because I'm going to use for other projects or other things that I have in mind. And this wagon wheel that I'm using today is one of them. I've kept it just so I can have for different events and things like that I personally use it for. But I did want to share with you how you can change it up a little bit and use it for something else. So again, you just go ahead and insert the rope into the opening, and then you're just going to use or cut off that string or rope, whatever you're using, a little bit longer than what you would think you're going to need. You'd rather have a little bit more than less and regret it later and want it to be hanging longer or, lower from the wagon wheel itself. So just go ahead, and what I did was cut 24 inches of that rope on each one of these jars. And then once I was done with that, I went ahead and got some of these LED wire lights. Again, these are from Amazon, and I'll leave that link down below for you. You're just going to insert them into the mason jar themselves, close it up, making sure that string that you're going to hang the mason jar with is out of that lid. And then you're just going to add a little bit of glue and glue the battery pack of the lights on top. Now, I just left it as is.